वेलकम बैक टू तबीर अकेडमी। और आज हम बात करेंगे इस वीडियो के अंदर क्वांटिटेटिव टाइप के कमांड ऑफ एविडेंस क्वेश्चंस की। एज यू कैन सी वी हैव अ प्रॉम्प्ट, वी हैव अ ग्राफ, and then the question is asking us which statement best describes data in the graph that supports the observation about the West region's performance. I would suggest you to stop this video at this point, solve the question, and then come back looking for the solution. So as we can see, we have graphs जिसके हमारे पास Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 की information दी हुई है, which is sales by region, and then we have north, south, east, west, which are colored and the key shows us. So सबसे पहले हमें अपना clarify claim करना है, क्या जो क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया है वो किस चीज़ के ऊपर फोकस कर रहा है, वेस्ट रीजन के ऊपर, विच इज़ द येलो बार. सो आपने अपनी फिंगर यूज़ करके पॉइंट करके देखना है कि ओ या कर्सर यूज़ करके कि येलो बार्स क्या बता रहे हैं. सो Q1 के अंदर ऑलमोस्ट हमारे पास 200 है, Q2 के अंदर ऑलमोस्ट रफली इफ वी गेस इट्स 220, Q3 इज 240 एंड Q4 is 210, right? So all of them are ranging between 200 to 240 million. Now we compare these with the others, which is east, which is blue, and there is a lot of dip in Q2. Again, Q3 के अंदर भी एक बहुत बड़ा dip है. This is not consistent. North, which is red, there is a huge crisis from Q1 to Q3. A huge rise from Q1 to Q3, and this is also not consistent. South, which is green, has a significant drop in Q4. This is not consistent, which means कि जो सबसे कम fluctuation है, that is between west, which is yellow bar जो हमने पहले देखा है. राइट, अब हमने प्रेडिक्ट करना है कि हमारी आइडियल एविडेंस क्या हो सकती है, हमें कैसा आंसर चाहिए, जो कोई क्वांटिफाई करता है कि वेस्ट कंसिस्टेंट है, कंपैरिजन करता है अदर रीजन के साथ और एग्जैक्ट डेटा यूज़ करेगा फ्रॉम द ग्राफ. लेट्स मैच द क्लेम नाउ. ए पार्ट हमें क्या कहता है, द वेस्ट रीजन सेल्स रिमेन्ड अबव 200 million in 3 of the 4 quarters, which is the most consistent compared to the other regions. This is direct, data-based, matches the consistency idea that we talked about in step 1. So this is the correct answer. Now let's look at why other options are wrong. If you look at B, the East region experienced a decline in the sales during Q3, while the West region's sales remained steady. Mention East's decline in Q3, which is off-topic comparison. There is no full data on West, so it is just comparing a quarter. C जो है वो मेंशन करता है नॉर्थ वीक in Q2 and relatively stable west. This is less precise and doesn't prove the consistency well because it's not looking at all of the point. The D also only mentions one west quarter comparison, Q1 and Q4. This is incomplete and too narrow. So that leaves us with the choice A, which is the West region's sale remained above 200 million in 3 of the 4 quarters, which is the most consistent compared to the other regions.